Byron, thank you. A health alert tonight. Helen DeVos Children's Hospital seeing an increase in strep A infections and has had recent deaths in West Michigan children.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell is here now with what parents need to know. Kyle?
Sue and Brian, invasive group A strep infections are still rare, but doctors say they can lead to serious complications or death and want more people to be aware. Infectious disease doctors with Helen DeVos Children's Hospital are seeing more cases of strep A, which is when strep results in infection beyond the places the bacteria is typically found in a standard strep throat infection.
If this bacteria gets into kind of the wrong part of your body or a wrong compartment in your body, it can actually cause a very severe and rapidly progressing infection. This bacteria sort of produces a lot of toxins and is very pro-inflammatory, so it can cause a lot of tissue destruction.
Dr. George Fogg says the pediatric hospital has seen deaths. It has treated 4 cases of strep A in the last month and on average sees less than 5 cases in a year. The bacteria is mostly spread through respiratory droplets, but there are other ways to get the infection.
Group A strep actually lives on your skin, and so it can actually get in through even a microscopic cut or something like that. It can cause cellulitis, where you have like redness of the skin, pain, and things like that.
It can be treated with common antibiotics, which can be very effective, especially if treated early.
The reason why we treat strep throat is it can sometimes trigger acute rheumatic fever, and that's the whole reason why we actually treat you for strep throat. We don't want your immune system to cause that entity, but it can also cause these invasive infections too.
The hospital wants people to be aware of the concern, but there are things that can be done to improve the outcomes of patients who get the infection.
These invasive group A strep infections are rare, but they do occur, and they are associated with things like influenza and varicella infections, which we do have immunizations for.
For more information on strep A, we've included a link in this story on woodtv.com. Sue.